Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities, PCG Research. Let's start with global markets, where we saw handsome gains on Tuesday. We saw spectacular rally in US markets, including Nasdaq, S&P. We saw rally in Dow Jones. Singapore Nifty is trading nearly 95 points higher as compared to its previous close, and Asian markets are also doing well. If we go through with the macro factors, then there is hardly any major change, but we saw a good amount of recovery for our markets on Tuesday. US markets close on the higher side, but our markets also close above the important level of 17,600. Since last 3 days, if we see the trend of the market, then it is trying to sustain and to recover from the lower levels and close above the levels of 17,600, which is positive. But at the same time, because it is a pullback rally from the lower levels, 17,800, 17,900 is going to act as major resistance for the market. Today it's a day of budget event, so I think the market will take some time. During the day, we may see the levels of 17,600 or 500 on the downside, where the strategy should be to look for adding some long positions with a stop loss below 17,500. On the higher side, if we see the markets are very close to 17,900, then there we need to take some profit, or we should look for reducing long position. That's the broader view. And if we see the markets are dropping to the levels of or below the levels of 17,500, then the chances of hitting 17,300 to 17,200 would turn bright. So 17,500 is the equilibrium level, is the trend decider level, and on the higher side 17,900 is the extreme level above which we are expecting market to come under some selling pressure. FIs are consistently selling in the cash market. That's the major reason that we have to always keep in mind while adding long position at higher levels. We like PSU banks. If there is any correction, we should be buyer in PSU banks. We also like defense stocks, but there we need to be careful. We need to see that whether they are reversing from lower levels or not. But other than that, I think we need to focus on EVs, on stocks like Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motors. These are the stocks on which we are going to focus. PSU banks, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, there we are positive. We also like private banks, but I think this time PSU banks are going to outperform to the larger market. So broadly, we are of the view that we should be buyer if there is any correction, but stop loss should be at 17,500 for holding any trading long positions. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's call. Happy budget to all of you. Bye-bye.